Piedmont 6040, approach clearance cancel, climb maintain 3000 and fly heading 270.
Alright, climb maintain 3000, 270 on the heading, Piedmont 6040.
Tower Delta 2279 just outside Torn, ILS 27 left.
Delta 2279, Philly Tower, approach clearance canceled, maintain 3000, fly present heading.
Maintain 3000 and present heading, Delta 2279.
Piedmont 6040, turn right heading turn left heading 170.
Left 170, Piedmont 6040.
American 741 to ground.
American 741 heavy, take Zulu, Kilo, and then hold short Kilo 7, contact ground point enter.
Zulu, Kilo, hold short Kilo 7 to ground, American 741 heavy.
Piedmont 6040, contact approach 128.4.
28.4, Piedmont 640.
Piedmont 640, correction 125.4.
125.4, Piedmont 640.
Delta 2279, I'll have it turn to the south here shortly.
Thank you, Delta 2279.
President here.
Say again?
President here.
VIP movement in progress.
Says it all.
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Delta 2279, turn left heading 170, contact approach 125.4.
Heading 170, 254, Delta 2279.
Air Force 1, Philly Tower, outside.
Air Force 1, we're up on tower, ready for departure.
Air Force 1, turn left heading 180. 180 on a 27 right at Delta, clear for takeoff, wind call.
Confirm the departure instructions and clear for takeoff 27 right, Air Force 1.
Air Force 1, flighting 180, left turn heading 180, that'll be for weather off the departure.
Left 180, Air Force 1, thank you.
And when should departure be ready? This is Brickyard 4426.
Very shortly here, guys, very shortly.
Alright, and what's our sequence? We're a little low on fuel, sorry.
You guys are number 1, 4426.
Alright, we'll start them up now.
Air Force 1, contact departure 119.75, good day?
119.75, Air Force 1, good day.